Hi, good day, Ma'am Leonisa. Can you tell me about yourself?
Good day po, ma'am. I'm Lunesa Ababa from the Philippines. I'm looking for a job as DH domestic helper. I'm single, 40 years old, and I have one son, and he is now 19 years old. Thank you.
All right, then, where do you live?
I live in Davao, Digos City, Davao del Sur.
All right. So, what is your marital status? Are you single or married?
I am single, and I a single mom.
Okay. So, do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yeah, I have one sister and I have one brother.
Okay. So, please tell me about your educational background.
I graduated a high school and Sambok vocational.
Okay. So, how would you describe yourself?
I am a hardworking person, trustworthy, honest. Um,
Okay.
I
So,
think.
may I know the reason why you want to apply abroad?
First of all, I need to help my family. We have for we don't have any house now. My son is currently studying and not done, so I have.
Mhm.
Sorry.
Okay.
Yeah,
So,
financially.
okay. So, do you have any work experience abroad?
Yes. First, I worked in Kuwait and almost 7 years in one employer.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So, did you finish your contract as domestic helper in Kuwait?
Yes.
Okay. So, may I know your duties and responsibilities as domestic helper in Kuwait?
Yeah, I do cooking, taking care of the children, cleaning, ironing, laundry, and some other household chores.
Okay. So, aside from being domestic helper in Kuwait, do you have work experience abroad?
Yes, in Malaysia.
Mhm.
Malaysia. No.
All right. For how many years?
Almost 8 years in one employer.
Okay. So did you finish your contract?
Yes.
Okay. So may I know your duties and responsibilities as domestic helper in Malaysia?
Yeah, cooking, cleaning, laundry, um, children, taking care of the kids
All right.
and
So,
and other.
okay. So are you willing to take care of small children, newborn baby, or elderly person abroad?
Yes, I am willing, ma'am.
Okay. So what will you do if you become homesick?
Yeah, I will focus my work and make myself busy, so I
Okay.
won't think so many things like making me sick or I yeah, I just focus my job uh
All
properly. So
right. Mhm. Okay. So, are you scared of dogs and cats?
no, I'm not scared of any if dogs or ducks or
Yes.
other feet.
Okay. So, how do you describe your cooking skills?
Mm, about cooking, it's not hard if we can just watch on YouTube or
Mhm.
any platforms that they have the tutorial, the guides. It's very easy to do if you have the guides from so many websites now. They're uploading new ingredients like new food menu. We can just learn that easily.
Okay. So, are you willing to learn new dishes?
Yeah, I am willing, ma'am.
All right. So, do you have any food allergy?
No, I don't have.
Okay. So, do you eat everything?
Yeah.
Okay. So, Miss Leonisa, do you have the full consent of your family to go and work abroad? Ma'am Leonisa,
Um.
do you have the full consent of your family to go and work abroad?
Yeah. Yes, ma'am. I don't have a parents.
Mhm.
Yeah, myself. Yeah, I decided it for myself because I want to help my sister. they are in need, very
Mm-hmm.
financially badly need financially so bad.
All
So I
right.
just decided it for myself to help them because I don't have any parents now. They already passed away because of COVID.
Mm-hmm.
So
Okay, I see.
yeah.
So,
Mm.
do you drink alcohol?
No, I don't drink.
Okay, how about smoking?
I don't smoke.
Okay, so do you have any body tattoo?
I don't have a tattoo.
Okay. So for the last question, Ma'am Leonisa, what is your final message to your future employer abroad?
To my future employer, I hope I can find a a kind one in God.
All right, thank
Yeah,
you.
just thank you.